Hello guys, welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about prints are streaky, wet or just ugly. Assuming that you aren't using third party in cartridge and print heads getting streaky or wet prints usually a sign that you aren't that you aren't using the right paper for the print mode you have selected. For example, if the printer thinks you are using photo paper, you are using photo paper, but you have got plain old copier paper, in the tray. It's going to use the wrong amount of ink and just make a mesh. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.